I've personally visited ACMEE for the last 3 editions. I find that ACMEE is a very interesting show. They have multiple different halls, where one particular hall which really interests me is where the machining centers are there. They also have an automation and robotics hall with a lot of partners and system integrators. I think the entire supply ecosystem participates at ACMEE. It's a very important show. Mainly the automotive OEMs visit this particular show who are located in Tamil Nadu. It is a very interesting show in terms of a lot of new things to learn. A lot of international companies showcase their different platforms, products, services in this particular show. And it's usually at this particular point of time which is appropriate for the entire industry. Usually people who are in the design and development, who are in the purchase, supply chain, this is a must-visit show when you're looking to learn new technologies, to see alternative options, to also look at latest trends in the industry. ACMEE is a very important show for the industry and for people to visit, learn, and also network with many companies and see how they can develop together. ACMEE has been very important to us. A lot of international as well as domestic companies visit our show. The top leaders of different companies visit this particular show to see what's happening in this industry. Particularly the automotive OEM CEOs or top management visit the show, and we were able to network with them and take on very interesting projects and taking it forward. So this show not only helps us interact with end customers in automotive, general engineering sector, but also with a lot of OEMs, we collaborate and we take things forward. Smart manufacturing is a very important topic where we have different machines talking with each other. We have AI, that's been the buzzword in our industry. I'd definitely like to see how different organizations are innovating and utilizing AI technologies in machine tools, or at least creating platforms how they can integrate AI as well as machine learning concepts, automation technologies, how digitized factories, lights off machining. These are all trends which I'd really love to see at ACMEE 2025. I hope to visit many different booths as well and to learn and also work together with different companies.